friends. I'm going to be pouring a cloud pour today, and I'm using some cloud mix that I mixed up back in January. So it's over 3 months old, but I have quite a bit of it, so I want to give it a try and see if it's still working. I'll put the recipe down below, all the details. It's got several ingredients in it. But the colors are just mixed with Floetrol and water. I got Paynes Grey, I've got white with some Paynes Grey. This is a mix of Naples Yellow with a bit of light green and green yellow. And it's kind of a chartreuse color, which is funny because I probably have a tube of that somewhere, but I mixed it. And then these get a little complicated. These are this is treasure gold in blue quartz. And then I mixed some blue quartz and silver to come up with this color. But they were quite similar, actually, in appearance. So I lightened this one by adding some white to it, and I darkened this one by adding some Paynes Grey to it. So I hope there's enough of a difference now in them. But those are my colors, and let's fill up a cup and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to separate those two metallics with that one. Maybe even like this. Okay. Okay. And here we go. Where's my cloud mix? I have a bit of a cold or bug of some kind, so I'm not talking much because it tends to make me start coughing. Oh, that's pretty there. But where is the white? I was worried I had too much. Okay. Okay. It's very pretty and shimmery. I think I'll hit it with a torch and then I'll let it sit for a couple minutes before I tilt. Okay, I'm going to pause here. I'm going to put down some flow extender and I shall return. We'll give it about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been almost 15 minutes. I don't really like the looks of what's happening here. Very little in the way of a cloud effect. So I mixed up all the rest of the colors I had left that I hadn't put in the cup and mixed them together to come up with my flow extender color. Now, I really don't like the center there. I could just see that I'm not going to like that when I go to tilt it out, because I'm going to get a shape of something that I don't want right in the middle of my painting here. So I have some white, Australian, some titanium white mixed with Australian Floetrol, and I'm going to take my palette knife and run it through the center there before I tilt. So let's do that. Now then also, because there's not a lot of value change there. There's a little dark, but for the most part it's very mid-range on the value scale, and that does not make for an interesting painting. You really need to have some dark darks and some light lights. So at least I'll get some light lights here, and hopefully when I tilt, some of those darks that Paynes Grey will come through, but we'll see. All right, here we go. I just want to disrupt that center area there. I'm going to start here though. I'll start here because and that shape I didn't love. All right. Well, I'm going to tilt it around, and I can always do some more swiping. The whole thing may end up a swipe. We'll see. I like the green though. That's very pretty in there. There's some of that dark. My husband's vacuuming. He is such a gem. Okay. Oh, what have I got here? I think I need to swipe a bit more. I guess I need to take my gloves off, or one of them anyway. Do I? Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, I'll do this. I am a real klutz today. Oops. Okay. I think I'll come from this other direction and kind of go over that section there. Glove back on. Once again, I believe I have too much paint on the surface, so I've got to remove that. It's so interesting to really stretch that Australian Floetrol. It's just amazing to me, this the lacing you get. I mean, look at that right there. Isn't that beautiful? I think I need to, I'm going to have to lose a lot of the stuff at the bottom, but I want to maintain the dark at the top and stretch that swipe area out. Whoop, sounds like the dogs are gearing up to go on a walk. Sorry you can't see what I'm doing, but I will turn it for you in just a moment. Here we go. There they go. Yeah, that's all got to go away. Well, my cloud mix did not like sitting around for 3 months. It helps to have it sit for a while, I found, but that was too long. Well, it's kind of pretty now. Sorry, I don't know what orientation. I'll just show it to you like that. And let me bring you in. For a closer look. No sign of a cloud, but I'm glad I decided to add the swipe because it needed it. It's quite pretty. Just got one area I don't like, and it's right there. That weirdness, but when it dries, I can paint something on top of there, perhaps. Well, it isn't anything like I intended, like I set out to do, but I think it's kind of pretty. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and happy painting.